Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ask TikTok not to track your locations or how to turn off your location services on your TikTok accounts. So before starting my video, if you want to update more about tech, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Now tap at three horizontal lines at the top. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now page at the top, very second option, privacy. Simply tap it here. Now page my screen, you can see lots of options, but at the down you can see a location services option. Tap it here. Now page the screen, you can see while using app, and down there the never. Simply check at never. Now open your settings. Now tap at app permissions. At here, now tap at app permissions. Tap at location and tap at don't allow. Now go back. Now if you want to delete your location history, down the bottom you can see a delete location history. Tap it here. Delete location history. Now tap at delete. Like this, you can easily turn off your location at your TikTok accounts. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it, share it with your friends and family members. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.